enough for this shit.
Copy that. 1, Lincoln, 18, showing you 10-8. Need a local unit to respond to a Grand Theft Auto, recently stolen from a parking lot. I'll update CAD with make and model. In La Mesa.
Radio, I got him.
Copy. Copy, I'll get him en route.
On Olympic Freeway.
Car 1 en route.
Copy, progress shit en route 502.
I got visual on suspects.
Copy.
I have eyes on suspects.
Suspect is 1015.
In La Mesa. Copy, I'll get him en route. In La Mesa. Copy, stand by, I'll get that returned. 10-4, a flatbed is en route to your location. Copy, I'll get him en route. 5. In La Mesa. 2. Plate return. Ten four. 1, Lincoln, 18, showing you 10-8. She is not complaining at Chesapeake. Copy on those AMR. AMR 43, testing at 11 and 7 Power Street.
Copy, AMR 43 is responding. We're staying down the street. Please notify LES on the scene site.
AMR 43, copy.
Here, up to AMR 43, we're all good here on scene. I got her in custody.
Need a unit to head over for a dropped 911 call. RP reports they could hear yelling in the background before the call was terminated. Attempt to locate the caller and advise on their status.
On Supply Street.
Received, you're clear 1727. Copy. 1, Lincoln, 18, showing you 10-8. Copy, stand by, I'll get that returned. 8-2 Whiskey Uniform Zulu 4-2-3. Clear, 10-4. 1 Lincoln 18. Dispatch copy showing you on scene. Copy, 10-4.
I got visual on suspect.
Copy. Received, I'll get you another unit.
On Roy Lowenstein Boulevard.
14 13.
14 copy. Got him here.
Copy.
I have eyes on suspect. Got eyes on suspect.
Copy.
Got you! Shoot! LSPD, don't move a muscle! Hope you like prison food, shithead! Hello.
Copy, I'll get him en route.
In Rancho.
Oh, jeez!
Copy, I'll get him en route.
On Little Bighorn Avenue.
Scumbag! Look me in the ass!
We have reports of a possible drug deal near
Ain't seen you in forever.
individuals are meeting briefly in exchange. Copy that. 1 Lincoln 18, showing you 10-8 and available.
A robbery.
On Crusade Road.
Respond code 3. Received, unit on the way.
On Crusade Road.
Copy, suspect in
Reloading over
custody.
here!
On Crusade Road.
Hands up in the air, now!
AMR 46 is en route.
Copy, AMR 46, 1493.
Copy, I'll get him en route.
On Crusade Road.
I got you! on your back!
Copy, I'll get him en route.
On Crusade Road.
Copy, I'll route county coroner to the scene.
I'll tear you apart!
Ten 4, 1, Lincoln, 18. I have you, 10-8, thank you. Go ahead.
Dispatch run 2 ID checks.
Copy, go ahead with the first one.
First one's on Jason 0704 1998.
Go ahead with your second one.
Via Camina, October 31st, 1998. Both Jason and Riskier coming from Vice City.
Copy, stand by. They both have a rap sheet a mile long, but as of now, they're clear. No warrant.
Copy, thank you.
Okay, copy.
Thanks for calling back.
I can't believe it.
The bathrooms at the rec center, they're the best. No shit.
10-4, 1, Lincoln, 18. Copy, showing you on scene. Copy, stand by, I'll get that return. 4-4, Romeo. Received our route unit.
On Power Street.
5. Flag on that return. System shows that vehicle is reported stolen out of this jurisdiction.
This is Supercallouts Road.
Port Ratchet Car 1 en route, all 31.
Just
Copy, 313.
Dispatch, hold the air, please. We will be conducting a felony stop on this vehicle.
Copy, all units, air is now being held for emergency traffic
Wanna go to the
Driver,
cage with
come
the
out of
other
car with your
animals?
hands
Then
up and
shut
no
it!
weapons. Walk backwards about 10 feet and kneel down with hands on head.
Hey, use any weapons? How many eased over to your left?
Hold on a sec!
I'm under 6.
You are going down!
Dispatch, you can lift the air. We're code 4 on scene. Thank you.
Clear. All units, the air is now lifted. Resume normal radio traffic. Copy, standby. I'll get that return. 4-4 Romeo Zulu. Call 105. Flag on that return. System shows that vehicle was reported stolen out of this jurisdiction. Edward 322, Edward 427. Copy, I'll get him en route.
On Power Street.
Received, a flatbed is on its way. Expect him shortly. Copy, I'll get him en route.
On Power Street.
Frank 22, dispatch radio check.
Copy, Frank 22, I have you loud and clear. 1235. Copy that. 1, Lincoln. 18, showing you 10-8 and available. Respond to a drop call at a farmhouse on O'Neill Way. Male and female in a verbal argument in the background. Nothing further.
1049 copy. I am 1097 Great Sea gas station.
Copy 44, 1522.
No, that's really rude.
Wait a sec, buddy. Kifwam. Hold on a sec. Wait a sec, buddy. Hold on a sec. Kifwam. Thanks. You're mine now!
Receive Valrowdy unit.
In Howick.
Two 44.
244, I copy.
You are
I'm en
going
route.
down!
Copy me.
Receive Valrowdy unit.
In Howick.
You're mine now!
I'll cover you.
Dispatch the units, respond to a civilian in need of assistance. I'm updating your CAD now with the specific details. Advise when en route.
On Los Santos Freeway.
Copy, I'll get him en route.
In Howick.
Hi.
Copy, I'll get him en route.
In Howick.
Dirtbag!
Ten four. 1. Lincoln. 18. Showing you 10-8. Received suspect in custody 0205.
Thank you.
Hey, for Minneapolis, there's gonna be the same person. They're at the fire station. So I'll be going down to the fire.
Yeah, I work with guns.
Adam 12, 2 King 7, Adam 12, 2 King 7. Respond for at 2030 off First Lane in Ryzen. Son is irritated and threatening to break things in the home. No weapons.
Adam 12 will make
Hey,
my
yo,
way over there.
have my money tomorrow. Shit!
Copy, I'll get him en route.
On Carcer Way.
Received 10-4. Received unit on the way.
On Howick Avenue.
Above 8080, I got him here.
Copy.
Above 8080, I got him here.
Copy.
Got him here.
Copy.
Got him on foot, dispatch.
Copy on foot.
Hands up,
We
creep
have
pie,
you
right
outflanked.
now!
Give up.
Nowhere to run.
He's
Give
hiding
yourself
behind something.
up.
You can't hide! Hey, dumbass. Yeah, you.
You're under arrest.
Where'd they go?
shit brain.
LSPD! Don't make me shoot ya!
You're making things worse.
You got nowhere to go?
Take. Hi.
Copy, I'll get him en route.
And also,
Asshole. Ugh.
Copy. I have them staged around the corner. Should be rolling up now. Copy, I'll get him en route.
and also,
10-4, 1, Lincoln. 18, showing you 10-8 and available.
Charles 434, are you available for a possible illegally parked vehicle? We have a report of a car blocking a fire hydrant in a private driveway on Milton Road.
Charles 434. Copy dispatch. I'm clear of my last call. Show me 1097.
No, I'm not dead.
Copy 34, 1325.
Copy, stand by, I'll get that return. All units hold for tone. 0, 7, Charles. 1099, officer down. Repeat, officer down. 5, reports of an officer non-responsive with shots heard in the area. Secure perimeter and maintain radio silence.
In Davis area.
Code 99, all call. I repeat, all call. Hard copy, I need another unit.
On Davis Avenue.
DC-12's around.
Go to hell! Out of rounds, reloading!
Give me cover! Let's see those hands right now.
FIB, get
Medic 75, priority 1. Priority 1, medic 75.
75 copies, will advise, thank you.
Copy, I'll get him en route.
On Innocence Boulevard.
Copy, I'll get him en route.
In Davis area.
14 and 13.
14
Hello.
copies.
I got you covered! Hello?
You're right.
Thank
Hope we got here in time. Time to get busy. What the fuck?
Copy, traffic control en route.
In Davis area.
We're way too late. I see the body.